everyone, snowy edition of how-to videos today. I've got my 22-inch brushless 60-volt Greenworks Snowblower. I'm going to test this out. I've got about 5 to 6 inches. Pretty light, fluffy snow, but I'm going to give you a kind of wide-angle view. Put my camera over there. I'll get some passes on this side, and then I will go ahead and get some passes up and down the driveway. I'll let you know how long it takes, how big my driveway is, how long these batteries last. I got 2 4-amp-hour batteries in this sucker. And just what my overall thoughts are, of course, the end of the driveway. I'm curious if this is going to cut through some of the, probably over the height of the snowblower itself, but all the crap that the plows already left so kindly at the end of the driveway. So, again, how-to videos, another DIY winter edition. Here we go. So for everyone's knowledge, test how much snow we have today. Yeah, so as you see here, between 5 to 6. This is the lower half of my driveway. The upper half has some more parts that are blown above 6 inches. So. Hey everyone, how-to videos here. Just want to give you my final thoughts. Got this Greenworks 22-inch 60-volt brushless snowblower about 2 years ago. Honestly, used it a good bit last year, only for the small stuff. I wanted to see how it tackled some of the more significant snow. I mean, you see at the end of the driveway, the berm is well over a foot. I mean, stuff from the plow, I mean, it's probably close to 2 feet at certain spots, and it didn't click, clogged, or stop at any point in time. You see, I had difficulties, had to kind of stop, go, where there was like pushing the unit and kind of using that physical force that a smaller person may not exactly have, but at the same time, I'm a big guy, like 6'3", 220 pounds, so not the biggest concern, but honestly, it's not the most pleasant experience. I'd much rather, especially when I went to the mailbox, that's where it started to get stuck. And you'll kind of see, like in the end of this clip, when I start to head over there, with the like really slushy plow berm snow. So not the greatest, but it did get the job done. It's probably it's 75% of my driveway when the snow that wasn't compounded and shot on top of the other. And the fact that it only shoots the snow about 10 to 15 feet isn't the greatest. I was concerned that, okay, I have a pretty wide driveway. If you only have a single car driveway, this would be the solution for you. However, it's not the greatest because it just throws the snow back onto other portions of my driveway, whereas the two-stage significantly cleared it well away from my driveway. So not any type of hesitation there if you're looking to buy one of these and you have a smaller driveway. But then again, it did use all of the at least 4 amp hour batteries that it came with. When it did, I guess about 75% of my driveway, I had to go back and get another 4 amp hour battery and continue working. I put another 8 in there. I didn't really use the 8, but at the same time, I mean, this is probably meant for someone with a driveway maybe half, or if not the third, the size of my driveway, and I would still have at least a 2-stage. This is not going to get the job done if you have wet snow whatsoever. Got stuck, clogged. I didn't really see too many, at least times I stopped the video, but it did get clogged towards the tail end when I went closer to the street and picked up some of that slush. So again, that's my assessment, and hope you enjoyed my video. Again, comment, like, subscribe. How-to videos, signing out.